In this video, I'm going to explain once again how to solve questions from the exercise 2.1. First question, we have express each of the following rational numbers in the standard form. And we have seen already to express a rational number in standard form, we have to make the denominator positive and at the same time it should be in the reduced form. Okay, so now question number 1a, we have a rational number minus 35 upon 25. Here we can see that in minus 35 and 25, 5 is common, and so we can reduce it to the lowest term by cancelling that 5, and already the denominator 25 is positive. So here this can be written as, see, minus 35 and 25, we know that 5 is common. So minus 35 we can be written as minus 7 multiplied by 5 upon 25 can be written as 5 multiplied by 5. And when we cancel the common 5, we can see that the reduced form is minus 7 upon 5. This is the answer for the question number 1a. Now if you take question number 1c, we have minus 225 upon 465. Here we have to find the highest common factor and then reduce it to the lowest term. Okay. Now question number D, we have minus 484 the whole divided by minus 572. Since the numerator and denominator are negative, we know that this is a positive rational number. By cancelling the negative sign, it will be 484 upon 572. Now we have to find the highest common factor and reduce it to the lowest term. Now question number 2, we have express 3 upon 7 as a rational number with different numerators and denominators. Express the rational number 3 upon 7 as a rational number with a different numerator and denominator. For example, first question A part, we can see that the given rational number should be expressed as a rational number with numerator 12. So in the question we can see that the given numerator is 3. To make it as 12, what we have to do? We have to multiply by 4. And we know that when we multiply any part of a rational number, either numerator or denominator, we should multiply the other one also. So here 3 multiplied by 4 becomes 12. So the denominator 7 is also multiplied by 4. Hence, the given rational number 3 upon 7 will become 12 upon 28. And here we can see that the numerator is 12. Now, denominator minus 63. Question number 2D part. We have to make again the same given rational number 3 upon 7 with a rational number with denominator minus 63. So we know that 7 is the given denominator which is to be made as minus 63. And we know that 7 is multiplied by minus 9 to make it as minus 63. So 3 multiplied by minus 7 and minus 9, and 7 is also multiplied by minus 9. Hence it will become 3 multiplied by minus 9 is minus 27 upon 7 multiplied by minus 9 is minus 63. So the given rational number 3 upon 7 is made as a rational number with a denominator minus 63. We're going to see how to represent rational numbers on the number line. In lower class, you have studied how to represent fractions and integers on the number line. Now, same way we can represent rational numbers also on the number line. Now, first of all, we have to draw a line and choose any point to represent 0. Now, I'm going to take this point as 0. And we know that the positive integers are taken on the right side of 0 and the negative integers are taken to the left of 0 on a number line. Same way, we can see that positive rational numbers are represented on the right side and negative rational numbers are represented on the left side of a number line. Now, we can represent rational numbers on the number line. For example, first one, we are going to take a rational number, say 1 upon 4. Now here we know that 1 upon 4 is a proper fraction and its value will be less than 1. So what we have to do is we have to take 1, 2, 3, etc. and negative integers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. Then to represent 1 by 4, a rational number on the number line, we have to divide the portion between 0 and 1 into 4 equal parts. Okay, and now here I'm going to divide that portion into 4 equal parts. This is the first part, this is the second part, this is the third part, and this is the fourth part. So divide the portion between 0 and 1 into 4 equal parts. Okay, and name it as, first one will be 1 by 4, second one will be 2 upon 4, and third one will be 3 upon 4, and the fourth one will be 4 upon 4, which is obviously equal to 1. So here we are getting this point as the point which represent the rational number 1 upon 4. Next, second example, rational number 7 upon 8. This is also a proper fraction, so its value will be between 0 and 1. So to represent the rational number 7 upon 8 on the number line, divide the portion between 0 and 1 into 8 equal parts. Here the denominator is 8. So divide the portion between 0 and 1 into 8 equal parts and name it as, first one 1 upon 7, second one is 2 upon 7, so on. So here this is the point which represent the rational number 7 upon 8. So this way we can represent the rational number 7 upon 8 on the number line. We are going to represent the rational number 5 upon 3 on the number line. And we know that 5 upon 3 here denominator 3 is less than the numerator. So in that case we have to change it into mixed number. So 5 upon 3 can be written as 1, 2 upon 3. Now to represent this on the number line, here we can see that the whole number part is 1. So divide the portion between 1 and 2 into 3 equal parts. So divide the portion between 1 and 2 into 3 equal parts, and this point will be, for example here I am going to write it as B. This is the point B represent 1, 2 upon 3. So this is the point B is the point which represent the rational number 5 upon 3. Now to represent another rational number, say minus 7 upon 3. Minus 7 upon 3 is a negative rational number, and here also we can see that the denominator is less than the numerator. Numerator is 7 and the denominator is 3. because minus 7 upon 3 can be written as minus of 7 upon 3. And here also we are going to change it into a mixed number, so it will become minus of 2 1 upon 3. Now to represent this rational number on the number line, here we can see that in the whole number part we have minus 2. So we have to, in the case of negative integers, what we have to do is take minus 2 and minus 3, divide the portion between minus 2 and minus 3 and divide it into 3 equal parts. Since the denominator is 3, divide it into 3 equal parts. So here I am going to divide the portion between minus 2 and minus 3 into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, and this is the third part. Now to take minus 2 1 upon 3, what we have to do is find out the point. Here this is minus 2 and this will be minus 2 1 by 3. This is minus 2 2 by 3 and this is minus 2 3 upon 3. So here this point will be minus 2 1 upon 3, which is same as minus 7 upon 3. So this is the point which represent the rational number minus 7 upon 3.